it's CrafTea Cat, and today I'm going to be reviewing all of these putties. Now, I have been stockpiling putties for the past month or so I could do this video. I've gotten the majority of these from the dollar store and Michael's, and I think the last one was from Mastermind Toys. We've got a couple different categories. We've got obviously all these fruit putties, which I am, let's just say, not excited to try. Next are these two putties, which are from Michael's. These are the glitter putties. They're really pretty, and I'm really excited to see what the texture is. There's this almost galaxy looking ball putty slime, which I am really excited to see. This is an actually good slime texture. And then lastly, there's this absolutely gorgeous putty slime, which is two-toned with a clear layer at the top, and I'm so excited to mix this together. But yes, let's just get into it. I'm going to be starting with the fruit putties because I opened the watermelon one just because I could not wait, and if you can tell, this is just a disaster. If you can hear that, that's my little kitten Dig. Diggory. Hi, Mr. Dig. He is chilling in here. His brother is also chilling in here, Mr. Tier. So if you hear anything, that's them. Anyway, back to the putties. So yes, I opened this and it was just a disaster. Now, first of all, this ring doesn't even stay on the actual thing. That's one thing. But then the biggest thing is that this slime is just it's not putty, it's not slime, it's literally dried up mush. I wish it was mush, actually. It's disgustingness. I can't even play with this in the slightest. What I want to do is make slime and put it in this container because this container is adorable. I'm gonna go through each of these to see if the texture is any better than this one, but I'm really doubting it. I'm gonna be opening this. I'm pretty sure this is a lemon, but it doesn't really, it doesn't really look like lemons. This seriously took me 10 minutes to open. I had to get scissors to try to open this. And again, this cage thing does not want to stay on. It's really cheaply made. Oh, and by the way, each of these were $1.50, I'm pretty sure.
These tiny little things. Yeah, this one feels the exact same. They're so pretty. They're this really pretty metallic. I don't know why they're such bad quality. Well, I'm gonna smell them because if you haven't watched my other putty review, you'll know that they smell really bad. These are chemical, which actually surprisingly smells good compared to the other one. But yeah, this is just completely unplayable.
Whatever you'd call this, it's complete garbage. And also, there's just a tiny bit. Can you see in the container how much that is? Yeah, complete waste of your money. I'm gonna quickly open the rest and just show you what they are, but they're probably just garbage. These are the three that are left to be reviewed. I'm just gonna quickly go through each of them because they're probably garbage, just like the first one.
And yep, just as gross as the first one. Orange one, ooh, this is one of the worst. Literally, it feels really bad. And then lastly, we got the kiwis. I was expecting that at least one would be not as bad, but absolutely not. These are all complete garbage.
These fruit putties, yay or nay? Absolutely nay. I would definitely not recommend to get these. If you are thinking of actually playing with the putty, if you're just buying it for the containers, go ahead, but these, complete garbage, waste of your money. Even though these were each only $1.50, they're still complete garbage. Next putty that's from the same store is this beautiful galaxy ball or whatever. Now, I'm only doing this one next because it's from the same store as the fruit putties, so I'm thinking that it's going to be garbage just like the other ones, but we'll have to see. And this is $2, which I think is a crazy, ridiculous amount for this tiny thing.
Let's see if this is actually worth it.
Ooh! Okay, so this putty is much more stretchy. It definitely feels like it will break, but oh my gosh, I can actually like play with this. It makes really good pokes or whatever you'd call these. Especially one-fingered pokes. And the colors are just beautiful. This is definitely more of a putty texture, and I am way happier with this because you can actually like sort of play with it. I would definitely recommend this. It's definitely not the best putty I've ever felt, but it is, you know, I'd say it's worth it for $2. And plus, the container is also really cute, and the packaging was just adorable with the colors in it, so yeah, I'd recommend this. Next slimes I will be reviewing are these two glitter putties from Michaels. I'm going to be starting with this one. So I filmed that for my Instagram, so that's why I wasn't talking, but wow, this is really pretty putty. This is good putty too. Like, this is the putty that you'd think of. Like, it's decently stretchy, but like it can rip, but then it will like go back together. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, the glitters in here are super pretty. There's a pink layer in this one, a yellow beautiful layer in this one, and then lastly there's the orange layer, which it's kind of funny because the orange layer is the stretchiest. This one's super stretchy, and it's so pretty. And by the way, yeah, each of these were $3 from Michaels, so you know, it's kind of pricey, but I don't think it's that bad of a price because it's not complete garbage. Oh, and I forgot to mention, but I absolutely love the thought that they put into this, like how they put the different layers and stuff. Like, I thought that was just so thoughtful and just like amazing. So surprisingly, this blue one is a lot rippier, harder than the last one. It's yeah, I don't know, I guess it's just a different batch, that's why it's less stretchy, but still, these colors are beautiful. Every color I absolutely love. The green is the stretchiest. I absolutely love these. They're so fun to play with, and I just love how the thought was put into this. Like, I just love it so much. Now, lastly is this Saturn putty. Why am I shaking so much? You should have seen my face and how disappointed I was when I was touching this. Oh my gosh, this is probably, like, what is this? It's so rippy and, like, it's not as bad as the fruit putties, but still, I paid so much money for this. This tiny little container of slime was $3.99. Like, what? I mean, the packaging is adorable, but, like, it's horrible slime. It doesn't even stretch at all. I got this from Mastermind Toys, and I absolutely do not recommend this. Boo, this is horrible. Those are all the putty slash slimes that I am reviewing for today. My two favorites are these guys, these glitter ones, and then this beautiful galaxy one. Like, now that I've reviewed them all, this one is so nice, like, so nice. Absolutely would not recommend the fruit putties. Garbage. I don't know why I have such bad luck with fruit putties, but they're all garbage to me. And then lastly, the Saturn putty, definitely would not recommend. Again, it's like almost as bad as the fruit putties. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it helps you guys pick out good putties. Like, if you see one of these, you either say yay or nay. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!